Good morning, बच्चों. This is your 9th maths class and we are solving the exercise 4G. Okay, exercise 4G. And I am happy because so many students are working their work properly. If they have any doubt, they are sending the question by me by personal message. Okay, so I am so much happy for your cooperation and for your dedication. So now I am taking the next 13 question of the exercise 4G. So it is x 2x plus 5 is equal to minus 3 and this is minus 3. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मल्टीप्लाई द x with the bracket. When we multiply with this bracket, तो 2x square plus 5x minus 3, and this is the form of the quadratic equation. And how can you solve it? तो multiply 3 into 2. तो 3 into 2 it is 6. तो multiply करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Factor is 3 into 2 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 2x square. अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगी. देखो हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है मैं बता रहा हूँ. इफ यू आर टेकिंग ओनली 3 plus 2, 3x plus 2x तो minus 3. There is problem of negative sign. If you are taking 2x, x has a common, x common तो 2x plus 3, and but it is 1 is common तो 2x minus 3 is remaining here, and this is not same here. ये same नहीं आ रहे. It means this time we have to change our factor here. Factor हम लोगों को चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. What will be the another two factor? तो कितना है 3 2 जा 6. तो 6 को क्या लिख सकते हैं फैक्टराइजेशन. 2 3 जा 6 and 3 1 जा 3 and 1 1 जा 1. तो 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 6. तो देखो 2 into 3 into 1 तो 3 2 जा 6 into 1 तो 3 2 जा 6 into 1, and my if you are this is plus 5 तो you can take 6 minus 1 तो 2x square plus 6x minus x and minus 3. So we will resolve the problem of minus 9. तो 6x, what is the common out here? 2x is common तो x plus 3 minus 1 is common so x plus 3. So now this is same here. So 2x x plus 3 is common out and remaining is 2x minus 1. It is the solution of given question. Okay, now last question I am taking from this exercise, question number 16. It is 2a plus b whole square minus 5a plus b and minus 3. 5a plus b and minus 3. तो let in this case when you are यहाँ पे x आया था x but here is a plus b. तो in this type of the question when if we can take a plus b is equal to x, let a plus b is equal to x. प्रॉब्लम जो बड़ा क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है शॉर्ट बन जाएगा, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. कितना हो जाएगा 2x square minus 5 and a plus b is x and minus 3. तो कितना हो गया 3 2 जा 6 तो 3 2 जा 6 and minus 5 is coming here. So 2x square factor is 3 and 2. 3 2 जा 6 and 3 are to 5. तो minus is here. तो कितना होगा कि what can we take here. यहाँ पे भी प्रॉब्लम बन सकती है तो दो तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो कितना है -5 तो can we take here -3 plus 2 into x and minus 3. तो 2x square minus 3x and minus 3x and minus 2x minus 3. साइन माइनस की प्रॉब्लम किससे हो रहा है आनी. तो देखो 2 is common, sorry x is common here. तो x 2x minus 3 and if you are taking minus 1 minus sign is common 1 so 2x plus 3 is coming here. So it is not possible. It means we have to change the pattern of the factors. Okay, तो 2x square को क्या लिखोगे 2x square this is negative, then we can take 6 minus 1. Okay, 6 minus 1 into x minus 3. 6 minus 1 is 5 so 2x square minus 6x minus plus x and minus 3. On solving this thing 2x is common so x minus 3 plus nothing is common, the 1 is common and x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 3 is same, common out, then 2x plus 1 is left. So this is the factor of the given question, but our question in the form of a or b. Substitute the value of a or b here. So what is the x? A plus b minus 3. Second, 2 into a plus b, 2 into a plus b and plus 1. You can multiply the 2 in the bracket. So this is the factorization of the given question. Okay, so next exercise, it last exercise of this chapter, it is based on the cube a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube b cube. This is the next question, next formula. Okay, exercise 4h. Which is the next exercise? 4h is our next exercise. 4h. You know that the formula of a plus b whole cube. The formula of a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. And the formula of a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube is a minus b okay, first I am taking a plus b whole cube. Okay, a and a minus b whole cube. इसको solve करके देखते हैं. So this is our main formula. So with the help of this formula, you know that a plus b whole square we can calculate. And what is the value of a square minus b square? एक formula ये भी तो होता है. वही चीज यहाँ पर है. A plus b whole cube is given here. Calculate the a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. ये हम लोगों को calculate करने हैं. Okay, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So this formula we need here. How can we solve it? Okay, so many students are watching right now. Thank you and good morning to all the students. Those are watching this video. Okay, so next is a cube a plus b whole cube. ये हम लोगों को solve करना है सर. तो देखो क्या करोगे? We need this part. हम लोगों को इसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. तो taking this part in left hand side, तो left hand side means a plus b whole cube and minus 3ab and a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. So what is the common here? A plus b is common. A plus b is common out. Remaining number is a plus b and its whole square minus 3ab is remaining is equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay, Anku Bhandari is saying something. Anku Bhandari, good morning. Okay, good morning Anku Bhandari. Now expand this part. इस part को expand करो देखो. a plus b then expand it a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab and is equal to a cube plus b cube. So on solving this thing, a plus b, next is a square plus b square and minus ab. A square plus b square and minus ab is equal to a cube plus b cube. So what is the final formula we get here? The final formula is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, it is equal to, this is equal to a plus b and a square plus b square minus ab. It is the next formula with the help of a plus b whole cube. With the help of a plus b whole cube. Next formula a cube minus b cube. Next formula is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. So similarly, we can apply the formula of a minus b whole cube, expand it, then with the help of that formula we can find the value of a cube minus b cube. It is a minus b, then a square plus b square and plus ab. So remember these two formula on your mind, and the next exercise is completely based on this formula. A cube minus b cube is a minus b and a square plus b square and plus ab. So remember these two formula, which is very important for our next exercise, and so many questions you can see in your examination based on this exercise. Next is, so now I am taking the next exercise of the same chapter. It is exercise number 4h and last exercise. 4h is your last exercise. First question, very simple one. So a cube plus 1, a cube plus 1. So factorize it. So first of all, identify the form of the question. Which form is given here? In the form of cube. Cube means इन दो फॉर्मूले को ध्यान रखो, इन दो फॉर्मूले को. ओके, तो इन दो फॉर्मूले को जब एक्सपेंड करोगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में आ रहे दोनों, तो सेम हियर, तो कैन बी राइट दिस पार्ट इज a cube plus 1 cube, we can write this thing is a cube plus 1 cube. And what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? So you know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, plus है तो plus a plus b, next a square plus b square, and then it is negative, only it is the difference here. So substitute the value, a is equal to a and this is b. Okay, so the answer is a cube plus 1 is equal to a plus b. A is a and b is 1, b is 1, next a square. तो अगर दिक्कत है तो first write in the another side a is equal, write in the another side a is equal to a and b is equal to 1, ऐसे कुछ लिख देना, that we will not face any problem. Next a square, what is the value of b? b is 1, to 1 is square, and minus a into b, a is a and b is 1, so a cube plus 1 cube is equal to this is the answer, a plus 1, next a square plus 1 minus a is the solution of the given question. It is a square minus a plus 1 and a plus 1. Okay, next question number 5th of this question, a cube minus 8, a cube minus 8. तो a cube minus 8 I told to you in the last chapter, जैसे लास्ट में करते थे, क्या करते थे, if you have given a square minus 16, तो this thing we can write square root and then outside is square. So same here we will write a cube minus cube root of 8 is 2 and then outside is cube. Okay, so we can apply the formula because 2 cube it become 8. ये चीजें ध्यान रखना, ये नहीं कि कई बच्चे ने ऐसे कर दिया a cube minus 8 cube, then we are applying the formula. No, it is wrong. Write the given number first in the form of its cube root. What is the cube root of 8? It is 2. Then outside plot the power is 3. So expand it. This is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. We can write this part is a cube minus 2 cube. So tell me what is the value of a? A is a and b is equal to 2. This is a and this is b. So substitute the value formula, a cube minus b cube. First of all write the formula in right hand side, then substitute the value. A minus b. A minus b means a minus 2. And the next part is a square plus b square plus ab. Negative sign. So a is a square, b is 2. 2 का square. Then plus a into b is 2. On solving this thing, a minus 2 and a square plus 4 and plus 2a. This is the very simple one question and you are able to solve it. Okay, कोई दिक्कत नहीं कि आप लोग इसको आसानी से solve कर सकते हैं. The next one is question number 9. The next one is question number 9. What is the ninth question? The question number 9 is x to the power 6 plus 8b to the power 3. So I told to you, first of all identify the condition of the formula, identify which form is given here, cube, and this is the cube. 6 2 भी लिख सकते हैं, we can write this is the form of the 2, it means x to the power 3 and whole to the power 2, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, but this part we cannot write. a 2 को लिख दो आप cube, but उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो to ensure that the cube highest power in both term it will be same, power will be same, so we can write it in the form of x square then outside is 3. Okay, x square outside 3 means the cube root of, what is the cube root of x to the power 6? cube root means x square का कितना होता है, x होता है ना x square का, तो ऐसे इसमें हाफ होगा, x की पावर कितनी हो जाएगी, x की पावर 3 and then फिर क्या करोगे, क्यूब रूट करना है तो x की पावर कितना हो जाएगा 2, तो then 2 इसका हो जाएगा 2. अब फिर इसको आपको वही चीज बनानी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. हाउ कैन वी मेक इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म? व्हेन वी विल राइट हियर आउटसाइड इज क्यूब, सो इट बिकम इन ओरिजिनल फॉर्म x टू द पावर 6 हियर, प्लस इसको भी लिखो, राइट 8b होल क्यूब इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द फर्स्ट, राइट इन द क्यूब रूट. व्हाट इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8? इट इज 2. व्हाट इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ it? b. Then outside put the 3. So when you calculate it, so it becomes in its original form. देख लो, x to the power 2 into 3, x to the power 6, 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8, b to the power 3, b to the power 3. It means our simplification is okay, means correct. Okay, so tell me what is the value of a? A is equal to, identify here, a is inside the bracket it is x square and b is equal to its value is 2b. Formula is positive के केस में formula, तो so x to the power 2 and its whole cube plus 2 and b its whole cube is equal to a plus b. A plus b means a is x square plus 2b. Next in the another bracket a square means a is x square and its square a square plus b. What is the b? 2b. So 2b and its square and minus ab. So minus a is x square and b is 2b. On solving this thing, x square plus 2b and then bracket x to the power 4, then plus 2 to the 4b square minus 2bx square is the solution of this question. Question number 9 is this. Question number 9, x square plus 2b x to the power 4 minus 2bx square and plus 4b square. Okay sir. Next one is question number 12. Question number 12. This is also very simple. 128 x cube plus 2. 128 plus x cube plus 2. We cannot write 2 in the form of the cube root. क्यूब रूट में लिखोगे, लिख सकते हैं, इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2, बट ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है. तो फर्स्ट 2 इज कॉमन आउट, तो कितना हो जाएगा 2 6 जा 12, 2 4 जा 8 एंड x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. नाउ टेल मी, कैन वी राइट दिस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द क्यूब? यस सर, वी कैन राइट इट. 2 देन ब्रैकेट लगाओ, बिग ब्रैकेट, ओके, बिग ब्रैकेट, देन 64. What is the cube root of 64? It is 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. What is the cube root of x cube? X cube is x. Then outside we will put the cube, so it becomes its original form. देख लो, what is the cube of 4x to the power 3? It is 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, and x cube means x cube, so 64 x cube. Next, what is the, this part we can write 1 cube. So this is a cube and plus b cube. So a is, what is the a? 4x. A is equal to 4x and b is equal to 1. So with the help of this thing we can expand it and calculate your answer and write in the comment section what will be the possible answer. Okay, very good. 11 are watching the video. Okay, very good, and good morning all the students those are watching and cooperating with us. Okay, so many good wishes are coming here. Good morning sir, good morning. Okay, good morning to all the students and thanks for connecting with us. Sujan Lothani, I request please inform to your brother, take the regular classes of 10th mathematics. Okay, next 13 is 8x cube minus 1 by 27 y cube. No problem. Okay, first of all cube root. So what, if there is any number is common, nothing is common, find the cube root. What is the cube root of 8? Cube root of 8 is 2. What is the cube root of x cube? It is x, and whole to the power we will plot here 3, so it becomes its original form. So 2 का whole cube 8, x का whole cube x cube, minus same situation we will take here. What is the cube root of 1? 27 it's 3, and y it is y, and outside power is 3. देख लो, 1 is 1, 3 का power 3, 27 and y cube is y cube. तो a, what is the a cube minus b and cube, a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. So a is equal to 2x, and b is equal to 1 by 3 y. So first a minus b means 2x minus 1 by 3 y. A minus b. Next is a cube minus b cube. This is the formula. A square plus b square plus ab. So 2x and square, a square plus 1 by 3 y, it's square, a square plus b square and plus ab, not a 2ab, only ab. So a is 2x and b is 1 by 3 into y. तो आंसर will be कितना हो जाएगा 2x minus y by 3, 2x minus y by 3. Next is 2 to the 4 x square, 2 to the 4 x square plus y square by 3 3 is 9 and plus this become, ये कितना हो जाएगा सर? ये हो जाएगा आपका 2/3 x into y, but 2/3 x into y. Question number 13, 4x square plus 2 upon 3 xy plus y square by 9. Otherwise we cannot factorize it ahead. Okay, this is the answer here. तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Next is question number in the 14 first of all check 343 is it cube root of any number or not. अगर है तो चेक करो 14. Okay, question number 14. तो when you solve it तो 2 and 343 it is the cube root of 8. तो 8 का क्यूब करो 8 8 जा 64 into 8 तो 8 4 जा नहीं 7 का क्यूब रूट 7 समझा 49 into 7 7 9 जा 63 6 7 4 जा 28 और 6 34 and same 512. Next number is 512. It is the cube root of, this is the cube root of 8. For you, why you can take common here. Now 15 is given here. 15 2a plus b its whole cube and plus a plus 2b and this whole cube. Same question is coming here. This whole part is a, this whole part is a and this whole part is b. So a cube and b cube. So a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube. क्या होता है? तो a is here. What is the a? A is 2a plus b and b is equal to a plus 2b. तो बहुत सिंपल बच्चा सा क्वेश्चन है, सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. a plus b तो 2a plus b a then plus b तो a plus 2b. Next one is next a square plus b square. So what is the a? A is 2a plus b, its value is a, then whole square. Next b a plus 2b and its square and minus ab means 2a plus b into a plus 2b. तो we can solve it sir. इसको सॉल्व करो जितना हो सकता है, कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 is this question number 15. तो we can solve it 2a plus a 3a and b plus b 2b 3b. Next in the bracket expand it and fact solve it. तो expand भी expand it तो कितना हो जाएगा? This is a 2a तो 2 2 जा 4a square plus b square 4a square plus b square plus 2ab. तो 2ab means 2 into 2a into b तो 4ab. नेक्स्ट प्लस इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो कितना हो जाएगा? a plus 2b whole square तो a square plus b square 4b square and plus 2ab तो 2 2 जा 4ab. now 2a plus b and a plus 2b multiply the both part. अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2a plus b तो this is 2a plus b multiply with a plus 2b. so on solving this part okay so 2a plus b and multiply it to 2a first multiply with the whole bracket to 2a square plus 2a multiply 2b तो 2 2 जा 4ab. next b multiply with the whole bracket तो plus ab. next b multiply plus 2b square. okay so it is in the bracket and sign is negative. so when multiply is negative sign multiply with the whole bracket all the terms its sign will be reversed. so minus 2a square minus 4ab and minus ab and ये minus ab means this is 4ab to ab तो 5ab तो minus 5ab and next minus 2b square. so we can solve it and find our answer here. 3 is common a plus b. next check it. कुछ और सॉल्व हो रहा है तो चेक करके देखते हैं. this is 4a square 5a square तो 4a square 5a square and this is minus 2a square तो 4a and 1 5a 5 में से 2 कम कर दो तो 5 minus 2 3 तो 3a square. okay next b square next 4b square तो b square 5b square और 5b square minus 2b square तो plus 3b square. next number is 4ab next is 4ab and minus 5ab 4ab minus 5 4 और 4 8 और 8 में से minus 5 हुआ तो 8 में से 5 गए कितने बचे 3 तो then plus 3ab. so this is the answer here but we can take here common 3 as a common 3 फिर से common ले सकते हैं. question number 15 it is here. okay 3 is common तो if 3 this 3 and you are taking one more 3 as a common and all are the multiplication, यहाँ पे 3 common लोगे and all are in the multiplication, तो 3 और 3 3 3 जा 9 and 9 then a plus b and then what is remaining here? Remaining terms is a square plus b square and plus ab. This is the solution of given question. Okay, so hope you understand this part. How can we solve it? Next, seventeen 8 a plus b is whole cube minus 27 c cube. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, no problem. Okay, write in the form of whole cube, but it is only 8 is outside. We can write 8 का cube root 2, then a plus b and then plot the whole cube. Is कोई problem? No sir. The 2 we can write 8 2 to the 4 to the 8, then a plus b, it's whole cube. Okay, same here we can write 27. So 27 is 3 and then c and then outside is cube. So 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, c cube. So it is the formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. So sir, what is the a? This is the whole part is a and outside is cube minus the whole part is b and outside is cube. The a is, what is the a? A is equal to 2 then bracket a plus b and b is equal to 3c. So apply the formula here and expand it and find the factor here. So first is a minus a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. So a is 2a plus b bracket. Okay, a minus b means 3c. A minus b. Next a square plus b square plus ab. So a square means this is a. So 2a plus b and its square. Next a square plus b is 3c and a square. A square plus b square plus ab. So a is 2a plus b into b. What is the b? B is 3c. So expand it, we can calculate our answer. 2 into a plus 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 2a plus 2b minus 3c. Next when we expand it to 2 to the 4 and this is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab bracket close. Now plus 3 3 ja 9c square. Multiply it in the bracket to 2 3 ja 6. तो 2 3 ja 6c और 6c multiply with here तो कितना हो जाएगा? plus 6 3 2 ja 6 तो 6ac and plus 6bc. तो चेक करके देखते हैं कितना बनता है. So when we solve it, this is the question number 17 here. Question number 17 to 2a multiply 2a plus 2b minus 3c. Okay, and the second part is multiply the 4 here. So 4a square plus 4b square plus 4 to the 8ab plus 9c square plus 6ac and plus 6bc. Now we can do nothing here. इसके बाद शायद हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. 4a square plus 4b square 8b 6a and 6bc. कोई नंबर कॉमन नहीं है, कोई फैक्टर नहीं बन रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So answer will remain same. This is our answer of this question. Okay. Now the last 1 minute is left. तो एक क्वेश्चन देख लो, इसको आप लोग एक्सपेंड कर लेना. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 and 21. I am giving some hint for these question and then you can try to solve this question at your home. Question number 20 is a cube minus b cube and plus 4a minus b. 4a minus b. How can we solve it sir? Question number 20. इसको कैसे solve करोगे? तो देखो, this is the, इसको क्या कर दोगे? Expand. This part we can expand here. Okay, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b and a square plus b square and plus ab and plus 4a minus b. तो a minus b is common out. तो a minus b is common out. Remaining is a square plus b square plus ab and plus 4. Okay. Next question number 21. 21 is also same, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 6x plus 6 by x. ठीक है, कितना हो जाएगा, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 6 is common here, x minus 1 by x. तो एक्सपेंड इसको भी इसके अकॉर्डिंग एक्सपेंड करो, तो x cube minus 1 by x कितना हो जाएगा, व्हाट इज द x cube minus 1 by x cube, तो x cube minus 1 by x according to this a minus b means x minus 1 by x. Next part is a square means x square, next is b square 1 by x square and plus ab, a means x and b is x, so x into 1 by x. So what is remaining here, plus 1 is remaining and minus 6 and x minus 1 by x. Again x minus 1 by x is common in the whole part, remaining is x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 6. On solving this thing you can calculate your answer. Okay, so I request each and every student, those are watching this video, please try to solve this whole exercise 4h. If you have any problem, I will take in the next class. Otherwise tomorrow it is the surprise, maybe test. Yeah, I can start your new chapter. Okay, but there is any problem, you can just before starting the class, yeah, in the evening time you can send their question in the WhatsApp. Okay, so thanks for watching the video and can stay connect with us and stay home and stay safe. Thank you once more.